perish. Was hiding from the rain. I stay by your side till I perish. I know you do the same. I never knew that this could feel so good.
These are the moments that
Masayahin, minsan tupakin, pero no-manage naman ito. Just sorry
everything else seems to vanish when I'm lying by your side. I never knew.
Jo, love, noong una tayo nagkita, sobra akong nagandahan sa'yo. Hindi lang ito, kundi mas lalong umigting ito noong mas nakilala kita because of your intelligence. At hiningan mo agad ako ng Senomar. Nakatunayan na single ako. At ito ay binigay ko agad.
This feels so good. Feels so good. You got me in love for love.
I don't know your horoscope, but I know that you'll keep it close.
'Cause this feels so good.
Yeah, it feels so good.
Kasi random, dapat hindi po talaga ako yung makikita niya sa work na yun. Kasi dapat yung friend kong isa, yung childhood friend ko. Kaso, bigla nawalan siya ng pamasahe.
Ayun, sobrang nagandahan ako sa kanya nung pagpasok na sa pinto nung unang nagkita kami. Yung pagbukas pa lang niya ng pinto kasi yun.
This feels so good. Feels so good. You got me in love for love.
I don't know your horoscope, but I know that you'll keep it close.
'Cause this feels so good. So good, so good.
Year 2023, New Year Eve. I remember I ate 12 grapes under the table, hoping to find someone who will love me. And 2023 comes. I get the part-time job that's supposedly offered to my friend. My professional account and social media accounts are far different from each other. One day, someone messaged me asking if I am the person in charge for documentation in an event. Still, I was shocked. I remained professional. To make the story short, you are the most mapansin and masungit na coordinator.
All my life, know I get to be by your side, and it never made sense until this life brought me to.
Huwag magpa-senyorita, magluto ka.
New ways I do. I can't believe I get to love you.
Maraming salamat po sa magandang lahi.
I do.
At saka po sa pagpapalaki at saka pagsubaybay at saka sa suporta po sa mga pangarap ko.
To love you, ooh, forever and always. I never thought
Ngayong araw, nangako akong iibigin ka ng may katapatan at biyaya. Ano man ang ating panibagong kabanata, lagi mong tatandaan na magkasama na tayo, aalagaan ka at pagsisilbihan ng may kababaan ng loob. Ikaw ang pinakamagandang biyayang ibinigay sa akin ng Panginoong Diyos.
forever and always. I do.
My love, thank you for making me feel loved and cared. I never expected to feel the love that is so calm and peace and only pure love. I love you for being a man I need and a man that you are.
Forever and always.
A coffee turned to a 7-Eleven grocery date. Bread, mayonnaise, and Hennikens, things I get that make it memorable. That's where our story started. And now, we're here in front of our Lord. Thank you, and nandito ka. And, ano ba yan, Papa? Ano ba yan? Mami, thank you sa lahat. Ano ba yan? Thank you sa sacrifice. And, ayun, thank you sa life.
Dear love, may this gift reminds you of how much I love you and proud of you always. Same din ako. Mahal na mahal kita palagi. With you, I've learned that love is not just a feeling. It's a choice, a commitment. Today, I choose to love you more. Not just for who you are today, but for all that you will become. I love you.
I promised that I will be your shelter every time you need. You can be weak beside me. You can cry or take a rest with me. Just always remember, you are not alone from the moment we met. And I am here in front of you, and the Lord promised to love you always and take care of you always.
I'll never go far away from you.
Sa hirap at ginhawa, ako ang sandigan mo. Hindi lang bilang mabuting asawa, kundi magiging kakampi mo rin sa lahat ng laban. Sabay tayong bubuo ng tahanan. Ng tahanang puno ng saya, dasal at walang sawang pagmamahalan.
Far away